Yes, solution of quadratic equation by completing the square. To understand this topic, let us consider a quadratic equation. 3x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. To use this method of solution of a quadratic equation, a minus b whole square or a plus b whole square formula is used, depending on the sign of middle term of the quadratic equation. Middle term of this quadratic equation is negative, so a minus b whole square formula will be used. A square minus 2ab plus b square. First term is 3x square, whose coefficient 3 is not a perfect square number. Here in the formula, first term is square term a square. So we will make this coefficient of x square a perfect square number. Multiply the whole equation by 3 and we'll get 9x square minus 15x plus 6 equal to 0. Now first term 9x square has become a square term like a square, which can be written as 3x whole square minus 2ab. 2 into 3x into which number will be 15x? It will be 5 by 2. 2 into 3x into 5 by 2 is 15x with negative sign. How will you get this b 5 by 2? 15x you divide by 2a. 15x divided by 2a. 15x divided by 2 into 3x, you will get 5 by 2. So we have 3x whole square like a square minus 2 into 3x into 5 by 2 like 2 into a into b plus b square. B is 5 by 2, so b square 5 by 2 whole square. This term is not in the given quadratic equation. We have written this term extra, so same term we need to subtract also. So minus 5 by 2 whole square plus 6 equal to 0. Now see the first three terms. 3x whole square minus 2 into 3x plus 5 by 2 plus 5 by 2 whole square. First three terms can be written as 3x minus 5 by 2 whole square minus 5 by 2 whole square plus 6 equal to 0. This implies 3x minus 5 by 2 whole square minus 25 by 4 plus 6 equal to 0. This implies 3x minus 5 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 4 equal to 0. Now this equation 3x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0 can be written as 3x minus 5 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 4, where first and second both the terms are square terms by the process of completing the square. This is known as the method of completing the square. Further simplify 3x minus 5 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 4 equal to 0. 3x minus 5 by 2 whole square equal to 1 by 4. Minus 1 by 4 is transposed from left side to right side. Now taking square root of both sides, we get minus 5 by 2 equal to plus minus 1 by 2. This implies 3x equal to 5 by 2 plus minus 1 by 2. Minus 5 by 2 is transposed from left side to right side. This implies 3x equal to 5 by 2 plus 1 by 2 are 3x equal to 5 by 2 minus 1 by 2. This implies 3x equal to 6 by 2 or 3x equal to 4 by 2 equal to 2. This implies 3x equal to 3 or x equal to 2 by 3. X equal to 1 or x equal to 2 by 3. Therefore, the roots of the given equation 3x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0 are 1 and 2 by 3. Let's discuss this method in general. Consider the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 where a is not equal to 0. Middle term of the equation bx is positive, so a plus b whole square formula will be used. A plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. First term ax square is not a square term. So multiplying the equation throughout by a, we get a square x square plus abx plus ca equal to 0. Now a square x square, first term of the equation has become a square term. So we can write ax whole square plus 2ab term will come. So 2 into ax into b by 2. 2 into ax is in place of a into b by 2 will be abx plus b square term will come. So b is b by 2 here. So b by 2 whole square. This term is not in the equation. So we have written it extra, so it needs to be subtracted also. So minus b by 2 whole square plus ca equal to 0. First three terms can be written as ax plus b by 2 whole square minus b by 2 whole square b square by 4 plus ca equal to 0. Ax plus b by 2 whole square minus b square minus 4ac by 4 equal to 0. Ax plus b by 2 whole square equal to b square minus 4ac by 4. If b square minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0, b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0, then taking square root of both sides, we get ax plus b by 2 equal to plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2. Ax equal to minus b by 2 plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2, which can be written as minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2. So x equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 or minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a and minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a if b square minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 will have no real roots. Thus, if b square minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0, then the roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 are given by x equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. This formula for finding roots of quadratic equation is known as quadratic formula.